Hello everyone and welcome back to yet another video on my YouTube channel mrbdoeselectronics. So in this brand new video I'll be unboxing the boAt Storm Pro Call, which is right now on sale on the Big Billion Day sale of Flipkart from 7th to 8th, and I bought this around 1800 rupees, which is a steal deal. Why you want to know? Let's get on with the video and show you all the quirks and features of this little AMOLED calling watch under 2000 rupees. So this is the boAt Storm Pro Call, and on the side it is written the Bluetooth calling and the 1.78 AMOLED display, and here you can get a quick view of all the features like heart rate, SpO2, always on display, ASAP charging, 700 plus activities, live cricket scores and all. So now let's get into the box and start the unboxing. And wow, now that is a presentation. That's quite nice. They have given lots of thought, and a little bit of the price has gone into the packaging itself. As you can see, it has got magnets and everything. So that was the watch, and now let's put it to the side and look further into the box. You can see lots of packaging material has gone. This is a separate box within which there are different pamphlets, QR codes, the user guide and all the various paperworks that we never read. And this is the magnetic pogo pin charger itself with the boAt branding on the USB end. Those are the pogo pins, and it's quite long, as you can see. So now let's repackage all of this, put it to the side and get into the watch itself. So let's scroll down to the app downloading QR and download the app itself. Here I am using an Android Galaxy Z Flip 3. You can also download the same app on your iOS device also. So nothing out of the ordinary, it will just redirect you to the Play Store and let the download happen. And as you can see, the pairing is happening seamlessly, and it found it, and it's quite quick, and it never lost connection. So it has got a mandatory update. Let's do that and come back. So let's just increase the screen sleep timing to 20 seconds, that's the maximum, and put the brightness down. It's quite bright, as you can see. So that is the notification on the left hand side. Swiping from the right gives you the steps, the heart rate, which will be going into soon, the sleep, the SpO2, the music control, the weather, and we're back to the notification tray, and it goes round and round. From the below there is the sports score section, which you have to turn on from the app itself, and from the top there is the shortcut settings like do not disturb, brightness, always on feature. This is the find my phone, and it is ringing to the side, and this is, you can add your own alarm, and you can jump into the settings itself. So the palm feature doesn't work, that's quite obvious. And that is the one of the always on, that is the digital watch face. And one of the disadvantages is that when the always on is on, the feature is on, the raise to wake feature doesn't work. So now let's go into the menu section and start the scrolling. So that is the dialer, and this connection happens each and every time you open dialer. It takes a few seconds, and here you can put the call, and as you can see, the call is going through. You can also sync your contacts, and the call history will be shown here. The activities, there is endless amounts of activity, 700 plus, as you saw on the box itself. There is no activity record at the moment. The heart rate, the SpO2, the sleep. There is also the breathing exercise thing, notification, stopwatch, timer, and within the timer there are predefined times you can also custom set. And this is the flashlight. You can get an idea of the bezels around the watch. It's quite even, almost even throughout. There is the camera shortcut, and it just clicked a photo on the phone itself. And this is the music control, weather section, find my phone, settings, and this is the assistant. Here you can hail, as you saw Bixby is turning on, so that's working also. So there is the settings, and this is the watch faces. There are 4 default watch faces, as you can see over here. So this is the always on. As you can see, there is analog and digital. Let's set it to analog. This is the vibration, set it to strong. Do not disturb, you can turn that on. Systems, restart, power off, factory reset is here. Downloads is the app downloading feature, the QR. And at last there is the about section. So let's scroll through the watch faces, and long press works, and you can scroll and tap, and that will be your default watch face. And this is the analog always on. And as you can see, the raise to wake feature is not working. You can wake the watch by pressing the button when the always on feature is on. So now let's put our focus on the app itself. As you can see, the BT connection is on. It is being shown on top, and the watch is shown below. Then these are the various metrics that are being measured, are given over here, SpO2, heart rate, and all that. Next, this is the health section again in much more details, and this is the watch settings where you can see the battery, if it is connected or not, calling is connected or not. You can change the watch faces, and these are the various cloud watch faces will be coming back. So let's go into the features section, and this is a advanced feature, auto activity detection. It will detect automatically when you're walking or running, and it works quite good. I have tested the watch for 30 days and it works, and it is only found in much more expensive watches like my Galaxy watch and Amazfit watches. So I'll be turning both of them on. And next, auto heart rate detection. This is also an advanced feature. Let's put it to 10 minutes. This is the auto HRV monitoring or stress monitoring. This is the nightly breathing rate. If you wear the watch to sleep, it will track your breathing rate. Then there are the other features like alarms, which you can set from the watch and the phone itself. Sedentary reminder if you're sitting too much. The nudges to conclude your goals of the day, like steps, heart rate, do your workout and everything. It will poke you by vibrating. This is the Bluetooth calling feature, and let's turn all of those on, call, notification, SMS and everything. This is how you sync your contacts to the watch itself. This is Find My Watch, and unfortunately there is no sound, it's only vibrating. This is the weather settings. You have to give it full location access, and it will pull the weather from your phone itself, because the watch doesn't have a GPS, and there the weather is working, as you can see. Now let's go into the watch faces and see the cloud watch faces, and there are a huge collection, as you can see. And there is also the option to do some custom watch faces, and that is actually quite good. And here I am syncing the new watch face to the watch itself. It takes a bit of time based on the amount of resources and the size of the watch face itself. And here you can see, let's long press, and as you can see there are 5 watch faces now. The default 4 are present and the one that we synced. But let's see if we sync another watch face, if the number of watch faces goes to 6 or it remains constant to 5. And as you can see, it is limited to 5 watch faces, that is 4 default and 1 can be your custom watch face or one of the cloud watch faces. So that's okay, I guess. So now let's wear the watch and check out the SpO2 heart rate sensors and how accurate they are. The flip to wake or raise to wake feature works perfectly. And here you can see I wore 2 watches, Amazfit GTR 2E, which is a quite accurate watch. And as you can see, there is a bit of difference in the heart rate measurement between both the watches, but I guess that can be owed to the different placement of the watch itself. And the SpO2 also works quite good, as you can see. Let's check if it gives heart rate for this towel. And it does not, so that's good. And this is how you charge the watch itself. The magnets are fairly strong. And this is the animation that you will get for the charging itself. It's quite fast. It's that ASAP charging technology from boAt. Now let's test the calling feature. So as you saw, the calling feature works perfectly for both incoming and outgoing calls, and here are some of the pros and cons that I have listed out. You can pause the video right here to look through all of these. These are based on my usages of 15 to 20 days of continuous usage of the watch. So I hope all of you really enjoyed this unboxing and first look video on the boAt Storm Pro Call smartwatch. If you like unboxing videos just like this, DIY repair videos or DIY electronic videos, consider subscribing, like, share and comment also, and I'll catch you guys on the next video with an unboxing of another AMOLED Calling smartwatch under 2000 rupees. So this will be an ongoing video series where I'll be unboxing and recommending smartwatches under 2000 having 2 main criterias, AMOLED and calling. So I'll catch you guys on the next video. Peace.